Hello everyone. Welcome to today's lecture on decision trees. I am the programming professor, and today we will explore how these tools help us make better decisions. In this video, we will cover several key topics about decision trees. We will start by understanding their fundamental concepts and key components. Then, we will learn how to read and interpret classification trees for categorical predictions. Finally, we will dive into regression trees and their real-world applications. Decision trees help us make decisions through a series of questions. Think of them as a flowchart starting with a broad question. Each question tests a condition, leading to another question or a decision. These tools are versatile, working for classification tasks like fraud detection, or regression tasks like predicting house prices. Let's break down the key parts of a decision tree. First, decision nodes test specific data features. The root node sits at the top and begins the process. Branches connect nodes, creating paths through the tree. Nodes at the same depth form layers, and the tree's depth shows the total layers. Leaf nodes give the final decisions without asking further questions. Here's a practical example of a decision tree in action. Imagine deciding whether to accept a job offer. The tree starts by asking if another job offer exists. If no, accept the current offer. If yes, compare the offers. If the current offer is better, accept it. Otherwise, reject it. Notice how each question narrows to a final decision. Classification trees categorize things and have many real-world applications. They are useful for tasks like fraud detection, customer segmentation, or medical diagnosis. For example, a bank might use one to approve loans. Each leaf node represents a specific category or class. Regression trees handle numerical predictions instead of categories. They estimate values like house prices or sales forecasts. Leaf nodes contain numerical predictions. For instance, a regression tree might predict house prices using factors like bedrooms and parking spaces. Decision trees handle numerical features by creating meaningful splits in data. Splits could be binary, like age above or below 40, or multiple ranges. The key is choosing splits that fit the problem and improve predictions. Let's wrap up today's lesson. Decision trees are powerful tools for decision making. Classification trees categorize items, while regression trees predict numerical values. The tree structure, with its nodes, branches, and leaves, provides a clear decision path. Tree depth affects performance. Too shallow misses patterns, while too deep overfits data. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.